How to increase luck in Terraria. So first is use dedicated luck buffs like garden genomes, place nearby your base, or eat luck boosting food and potions before heading out to play or farm. So I have a garden genome right here, so I'm just going to basically place it right here nearby my base. So I'm just going to place it right there. And also at the same time, actively avoid bad luck actions. Things like breaking mirrors or triggering certain unlucky endgame events can generally lower your luck stat noticeably. So some items you can use are the Luck Horseshoe, so it negates fall damage and said to bring good fortune and keep evil spirits at bay. You could also use the Lucky Coin, and when hitting enemies, it will sometimes drop extra coins. You could also use Luck Potions right here. So it basically increases the luck of the user. So we have the Lesser Luck Potion, the Normal Luck Potion, and the Greater Luck Potion. And once your luck is properly boosted, farm specifically for drops during those good luck windows for meaningfully better results overall. Quick tip is even something as small as breaking pots can affect your luck stat temporarily. So stay mindful of what you're doing right before an important boss fight or rare drop farm. And that is how you basically increase your luck in Terraria.